Hello and welcome to this new Leathercraft Academy tutorial. Today I would like to share with you a few tips that really saved my life in the past a few times. So hopefully you will enjoy it. So tip number one is to use crepe. Crepe is natural rubber and is really efficient to remove edge dye excesses or glue stains. It is really inexpensive and lasts forever, so I really advise you to keep one in your toolbox. My second tip is to use baby powder to remove the stickiness of the adhesive wherever you applied it. Sometimes you apply by mistake glue where you shouldn't, and it is really a lifesaver because when you're using really expensive leather, rather than cutting another piece, you will be able to save the piece you're working on. Another baby powder hack is to use it to remove oil stains. If you are using a sewing machine, you might have oil stains from time to time, and this method is quite efficient. What I do is to apply a good layer of powder on the stain, and after 4 to 8 hours remove it gently with a brush, and most of the time it works perfectly. I would like now to show you two tips using wood glue. Wood glue is nice because it is very thin, easy to clean and water-based. So in this first example I'm using the wood glue inside of the cut. The leather is torn, so I'm just applying enough glue and pushing it back using a wet rag that will as well eliminate the excess glue. For this second wood glue hack, I'm going to show you how to mask a part where the grain went missing on a piece of leather. To do so, I'm going to take my skiving knife and slice a very thin piece of leather, which should be about the shape of the area I want to mask. And this piece of leather, I'm gonna skive it all around very thin, so when I glue it back, it should look seamless. Let's now apply the wood glue. Not too much, but that's okay because you're also gonna be able to remove the excess later. Again, using a wet rag to press the leather down as well as cleaning all the excess glue. I'm now using a bond folder so I can move around the piece and make sure it covers perfectly the spots I want to mask. And I am now using my hammer to flatten everything. And now I am going to show you how to make up a white spot on leather. To do so, I am using some basic acrylic paint that you can buy at any store. The most difficult part really is to mix the color so it really matches the leather. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this was helpful for you. I'm trying really hard to post one video a week, so if you want to support me, click the link below and this would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.